How to find lost Windows laptop location on map. So the first step is always going to your setting, then go to privacy and security. Under security you will find my device, and make sure that your find my device button is turned on. It is turned on by default when you buy a laptop, but always cross check that this button is always on so that in case of emergency your device is lost, you may always track it. Okay, after you make sure that this is turned on, so close this. The main objective is searching for the device, right? So go to open any web browser, and then go to a new tab and just simply search for find and lock a lost Windows device. Then simply hit search and go to the first website by Microsoft Support. Now here you'll find summaries and just scroll down. Here you'll find a lost Windows device, okay, or lock a Windows device remotely. You can also explore this feature, but now simply tap on go to account devices and sign in. Now wait for some time till it redirects to your login page. Now make sure that when you log in with the same account that is on your device, that was on your setting device, the official account you used while installing the device. Now if you sign in through the same device, it will be able to track your device. As you can see under devices, here it shows the description of my device. And if you just scroll down, here you'll find my device, the same option. So if you simply tap on the location over here, now make sure that your location is also turned on. Now wait for some time, and as you can see, after waiting for some time, the location will be more and more exact. Now you can simply zoom out to trace the exact location, the city or the country. This will show you your past location activity, and you can start searching for your laptop from there. And that's it, guys. In this way you can easily track your device if it is lost, but always make sure that your location and your find my device has been previously on by default, so that you don't worry even if your laptop is lost. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.